Yo, look, being a morning person isn't something that's just easy. It's not just something that you just love to do. But as somebody that has been consistently waking up between 4 and 5 in the morning for the last probably 6 years, I can tell you that with the right steps in place, you can become a morning person. Most of the time when I'm shooting these videos, it's like 6 in the morning and I'm high energy. So we're gonna go over that today. Let's hop into this. 1, create a morning ritual. You need some sort of routine, some sort of ritual, something that you know that you can stick to every day that's gonna actually make you look forward to waking up in the morning, and that way you're not scrambling around. Most of the times you don't wanna start your day or you're groggy because you don't even know where to begin. You don't even know what you're gonna wear. When you have a morning ritual, you're excited to start it because you know exactly what you gotta do and when it needs to get done by. 2, you have to get good sleep. If you were to actually study how many hours you're sleeping, I guarantee that most of you are probably not even getting the sleep you need or prioritizing it. And then the sleep you do get is not that deep good sleep. It's funny because in a lot of my videos, a lot of you are saying like, oh, why Jose wearing 2 watches? I'm not wearing 2 watches. This is a regular watch. And this is a fitness tracker that also tracks my sleep. I've been doing this for the last almost 6-7 months and it's game changing. The insight that you get allows you to perform and have more energy the next day. If I can get 5 to 6 hours of deep sleep, it's more than enough for me to wake up the next day full of energy. You gotta find things that work that gets you into a deep sleep, and some of these can actually be enjoyable. For example, there's this company called Beam that has something called a dream powder that I take nightly. This is the sponsor of today's video, and it's basically a hot chocolate drink, which is enjoyable. It's keto friendly. It doesn't have any sugars added. It's gluten free. It's basically healthy for you, but it's also packed with 5 scientifically proven ingredients to help you get that deep good sleep. And the best part is all the ingredients that it has, they're natural. You can go online, you can check it out, the link will be down below. None of them will make you wake up groggy or tired or dull. You wake up full of energy, and this is what I'm trying to get you to understand. It doesn't have to be this boring process. There's so many things that you can implement that are actually enjoyable, that'll make you want to look forward to being a morning person, and sometimes those things start the night before. Click the link down below and use my code TMF to get 35% off your first order when you subscribe, and then 20% off all following orders. Plus, when you subscribe to Dream Powder, you never have to pay for shipping, and you will receive a Beam mug and frother on your first order. You can pause and skip or cancel at any time, so there's no risk. It's available for new and existing customers. 3, streamline your mornings. You need to have effective processes in place that makes your mornings a breeze. Look, I get my grooming routine done. I go to the gym and I try to dress with the clothing that gives me the most confidence every single morning, Monday through Sunday. For most people, that is impossible. But if you watch one of my videos, I showed you my 5-minute shower routine. In 5 minutes, I can get a complete shower. I can shave. I can do my grooming. I can do my skincare. I can do everything in 5 minutes. All in the shower. Then I'll step outside the shower, and since I've already pre-planned my outfits the nights before, like I'll know, all right, tomorrow it's gonna be kind of hot or it's gonna be rainy. I already know what I'm gonna wear because I know what I have in my closet. So in literally 10 minutes every morning, I'll do an entire grooming routine, which already elevates my mood, and then I'll put on the clothing that I need and want that'll help me function within that situation of the day. Yo, now I'm good to go. All within 10 minutes, because that's what keeps you groggy and in bed. You're stumbling around all morning, taking 2 hours just to get ready because you don't even know what you're doing. 4, I want you to get that natural light right away. Vitamin D is crucial for your energy levels. Once your brain registers sunlight, it's gonna send adrenaline and energy through your body because it's gonna start telling it that it needs to wake up so it can start operating. The worst mistake that most of you do is that you keep your blinds closed, you keep your lights off because you don't want the sunlight to bother you. The sunlight is like a natural alarm clock that will fill you with energy. 5, I want you to try a cold blast. Look, a lot of people recommend cold showers, which they're great, but also they're uncomfortable. If you want the benefits of that cold shower without having to do a 5-minute shower, do a cold blast. 10 to 20 seconds. You get out of bed, it's gonna suck, you put that thing cold and you step in there for 10 seconds. I promise you, it'll be more than enough to shock your central nervous system. Your adrenaline's gonna be spiked. You're gonna be more alert than any cup of coffee will ever give you, and now you're good to go. Finally, number 6, just do it. Bro, if you want to be a morning person, I'm assuming it's because you want more time in the day. You want to be more productive. You want those hours of quiet time where you can work and produce. That's understandable. That's why I did it. But here's the thing. it's never gonna be fun, right? It's never gonna be the choice that your brain wants you to do. Your brain will always want you to rest and conserve energy. That we know, right? It'll always take the path of least resistance. So I can give you all these tricks, all these tips. Yeah, they help, right? They make it a little bit more comfortable, but at the end of the day, you're just gonna have to do it even though inside you don't want to. And here's a shocker that you might not even want to hear also, but I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. It never gets any easier. You're gonna be 3-4 years into it and you'll still want to sleep more. But guess what? You just gotta do it. That's it for me today, boys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Beam. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.